Mark Domingo Cruz, with all due respect, stop posting about against Duterte. Because Jerick Silva is telling me, we have to be non-partisan. Look at teacher Jessa Fernandez. I remember. She never posts politics because she is non-partisan. Teacher Ruti Barrientos, she never posts politics because she is non-partisan. Everyone there, Mark Cruz, are non-partisan. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, if you are abnormal, you are a fake autism, stop posting about nonsense. If you are autism, Mark Cruz, if you want to be a normal person, I just want to say, stop posting. Like for me, I was told by Wawel, do not post. Do not comment. Just like I told by my mom, just like I told by Ate Rona, just like I told by Teacher May. Do not post, do not comment. In social media, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, like for example, the Meta company, do not post. You don't know what you're talking about, Mark Cruz. And even you're posting nonsense. And you're posting about against Duterte. Mark Cruz. How many times I've been telling you by Jerick Silva, Ate Nenet also, even my classmate Wawel Romero, even the other friends there, in ASP, even who were I mentioned, by Kuya Dan Mardayaw, when are you gonna stop posting nonsense? Mark Cruz, stop posting. You don't know what you're posting it. Don't you even know I've been sent by Terra Francisco about the GMA think before you click, what you are posting it. Mark Cruz, if you don't understand your parents, look at Paulo Cruzada. He was been scolded by his parents for attacking Teacher May in social media, for attacking Jerick Silva, even his girlfriend, even Evoj. And Paulo Cruzada was being scolded by his parents. Teacher May already knows. If I were you, Mark Cruz, you have antisocial personality disorder. You need to stop posting it. You're not a part of autism in category. You're not Asperger. Aspergers are never posting in Facebook, even Instagram, even in Threads. They never curse bad words. It just to know that Christian Mingito never post anything. And you call me an asshole, Mark Cruz? You are an asshole. You are a son of a bitch, Mark Cruz. You are abnormal. You are a fucking normal, Mark Cruz. I never say bad words. In Threads, in Instagram, I never say that. You are a bully, Mark Cruz. How many bully that you bully all autism, ha? Ryan Cristosero. You bully Ryan Cristosero, Mark Cruz. You bullied you bullied who else you bullied? What's it? Here.
Sige mo sa marumi yan. Kumakain ng marumi. Ito, sige dito.
Alright, let's continue. You are a real bully, Mark Cruz. Oh. How many you bully all autism? Oh, yeah, I mean, I am not bully also. Oh. How many? Juan Carlo Pabale. Oh. Ryan Chris Lucero. You bullied them. Even I was a victim of cyberbullying. Alright, close the door, please. Okay. This is hard to say for Mark Cruz. Do not be such a bully. Because you know, if you're a Christian anyway, don't be such a bully. You know, there's lots of bully anyway, Mark Cruz. Oh. For just example. What?
Nasa paso lahat.
It's right there.
Saan?
Oh. Yeah, I'm just warning you, Mark Cruz. If you don't listen to your parents, you need to stop posting nonsense. And I say again, Christian Mingito, if you don't reprimand Mark Cruz, he has to delete all the posts in Instagram threads, even against Duterte, even Rene Bartebonia. He doesn't know what he's posting it. Even Rene Bartebonia and Rodrigo Duterte's children, you try to involve your nonsense. What if I say again, Mark Cruz, if I bash Marian Rivera, if I bash Sam Rascal? What do you think, Mark Cruz? Would Bang Chan will be provocated me? Huh? Mark Cruz, stop forcing Christian Megito that he knows the Bini about Mika Lim. You don't know how to respect the other people that they didn't interest about Bini. What kind of person are you, Mark Cruz? Huh? I know I'm very angry at you. I know you are a bully, manipulative. I say again, Mark Cruz, you are a bully. Everyone calls you a bully. Let's have a psychiatrist test. Let's say a psychologist test. And who's the true bully? You know that. Because, you know, I am warning you, Mark Cruz. Please kindly delete the post about your nonsense. About Rene Bartebonia, about against the Duterte siblings. You need to delete it. And stop posting about political. You don't know what you're talking about. You know, I've been talking with Kuya Bear. He said to me, even J. Rick Silva, we have to be non-political. Like Cedric Mariano is non-political. O Kuya Dan Mardayaw, non-political. O because they're not siding with the pink, green, and red. Oh, and especially yellow as well. We're not picking any political color. You know, Mark Cruz, if you don't understand what you're doing, stop posting. Look at your friend Carl Vilus. Oh, he's not posting nonsense. He's posting non-political. He always bonding with CJ Reyes. Oh. And you know what, Mark Cruz? You're the one who disrespect Nguyen Pong Can, the Miss Earth 2018. You call her kettle cow. You disrespect Isabeta Kuznetsova. You call her ugly. Now, I revenge against you, Mark Cruz. Here's my revenge. I label Sam Rascal ugly. I label Marian Rivera ugly. Because they are Zionist. And now, Mark Cruz, would you curse me an F word if you saying about that? If you label Nguyen Pong Can, if you label Elisabetta Kuznetsova as ugly? Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. You're a shameless guy. And you don't know what you're talking about. And you call me, like I said, that I label you, you are the one who started the bully. You're the one who started the bully. And you label me as Makarov, you label me in the main antagonist in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. And then you label me as what does Marcus said? You call me an you started it, asshole. Mark Cruz, you don't know what you're talking about. You're making up stories at Christian Mingito that he knows Mika Lim. Christian Mingito is not interested of Bini. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're saying. I say again to all the friends there in ASP, I am calling out to block Mark Cruz in Instagram, even in threads. Because me, I lash him out already. I bash Mark Cruz for what he has done. And I still retaliating Mark Cruz. My revenge is revenge. For what he is saying at me, for what he is saying about bad words. And no, I retaliate him. This is your fault, Mark Cruz. For what you did to me. For framing me up that I hacked Ronald Rebeno's Facebook account. Yeah, I was told by Wawel, it wasn't you. Oh, it was Mark Cruz. Oh, Wawel Romero says, it was Mark Cruz. Oh, totoo kung si Mark Cruz ang kagagawan nito. Oh, it was you, Mark Cruz. It is your fault. And you're the one who say bad words at Jerick Silva. What did you say to Jerick Silva in his birthday last 2024 in May? And you call him the word F word? You know, Mark Cruz, it's better to you. You need to stop saying bad words. You know, you remember Klaus. So Klaus, I remember from CDIFI, he has an antisocial personality disorder. He never say bad words. Oh, Klaus always say bad words when he was scolded by Teacher Mirna. Oh, do you even say a bad words like that in social media, Mark Cruz? For playing about that, what is that game? GTA 5? Yeah, for me, I'm not playing GTA 5. Like I say again, Mark Cruz in my blog. Oh, I always play Need for Speed Heat. I always play Call of Duty Modern Warfare or Fast and the Furious Crossroad. I don't buy GTA. Oh, if I were you, Mark Cruz, don't copy that your bad words came back from video games. I mean, I never copied that bad words in video games. For me, I make all the positive things when I make positive things. I watch what is,
Ikaw yung chinelas na lang sa ilalim. Chinelas sa banda mo, magkaiba ng ano to.
Alright. For me, I just make positive things like, for example, like I was told by Christian Mingito, I watch only about what I watch. I remember in positive things, like for example, I never say bad words. In Fast the Furious movie, I remember Dominic Toretto, he never say bad words. You should imitate Dominic Toretto, Mark Cruz. When he never say bad words, even Brian Connor, Paul Walker, they never say bad words. You remember the film in Fast the Furious? No bad words. Because that Mark Cruz is using bad words anyway. When you watch a movie like action films like Sylvester Stallone and Jason Statham about Expendables, that's why he got his bad words. Hi Mark Cruz, when are you gonna learn your attitude when you never say bad words? As I'm a blogger, I never say bad words, Mark Cruz. Because you see, my former enemy and my former friend, Paula Colin Nunez, had read the Instagram threads. Of course, Paula has Instagram threads. She already read your bad words. Wawel Romero read your bad words also. Even other people there, they read the bad words. You're the one who curses the bad words, Mark Cruz. What if Juan Carlo Pabale, I say again, Mark Cruz, if he will sue against you a cyber libel? If I say again, Mark Cruz, just like I said before, when I was told by Juan Carlo Pabale, he's ready to file the lawsuit against you. He will file the lawsuit. There, Mark Cruz, you don't know cyber libel. You're slandering Juan Carlo Pabale. You're slandering Ryan Cristocero. If Juan Carlo Pabale had report you in Barangay Mark Cruz in San Pedro, Laguna, I think anyway, almost forgot. I was told by Jerry Silva that Marcos should be not political, just like me, do not post any political. Because where? I'm not posting. Wait. Not profile pic, I'm not posting there. I'm not political. It's just a frame. I'm not posting related to politics. It's here. Yeah. If I'm warning you, Mark Cruz, be non-political. Do not post about nonsense. Like I say again, Mark Cruz, if you want to be Asperger, if you want to be autism, do not post. I never post nonsense eh. I post in Instagram and Threads. What is that word? I make positive things with John Timothy Trevino. I never curse John Timothy Trevino. I never say bad words at John Timothy Trevino. I don't want to be like Nanay Ningning. I post there in Threads in Instagram about positive. I say to John Timothy Trevino, how's your US trip in United States? What is your food anyway? What is your culture at? I make positive. I never make negatives. I have no nega vibes at John Timothy Trevino. Because he's just like Ralph Guevara. And he's not posting it. I know he shared me a lots of stories. For Mark Cruz anyway, when I was told by J. Rick Silva, stop posting nonsense. And stop posting about political, about against Duterte. It's just stop it already. It's just nonsense. I never post in Facebook about Duterte supporters vlogs. So I never in Facebook, no. In Facebook only, none. Nothing. I'm just like Ram Lial. Look at Ram Lial. He never post anything in Facebook. Even who else I remember? Luis Cabales. JD Biniegas. They never post anything. Jens Manae, they never post anything in Facebook. If I were you, Mark Cruz, stop posting. You don't know what you're talking about. Teacher May said to me, when you post in social media, don't post anything. That is really misunderstanding to your parents anyway, Mark Cruz. I post only my picture. The Iranian parliament only in picture eh. It's just a frame. Frame only. Frame. I have a frame of Fast the Furious. I have a frame of anything in the picture in Facebook. I had lots of frame. Picture frame only. If I were you, Mark Cruz, do not post nonsense. I'm telling you. If you don't want to get you in trouble. Because I know, if I say from Roylan Marlang, Roylan, I say to you, reprimand Mark Cruz in Instagram Threads. Pagsabihan mo na yan si Mark Cruz, i-delete mo yung mga pinopost niya like against Duterte, it's against it's against Duterte or something, it's against nonsense. It's all nonsense he posting, and he posting about Rene Bartibonia. Can you please delete that post, Mark Cruz? Stop posting nonsense. I'm not your. I'm just saying. I'm telling to all of family members of Mark Cruz. If you're watching this, you need to reprimand your son. Do not post. Me, I never comment there in an Instagram thread, so I never repost anything. Nothing. I post there in my threads on Instagram about Call of Duty movie directed by Peter Berg. Oh, I always repost it. Oh, it's not nonsense. It's a good positivity to everyone, even to all the gamers who are Call of Duty fans. But but um but for Mark Cruz, you need to stop posting it because you're posting lots of nonsense. Because you're posting nonsense. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, you don't know who's the children of Duterte. What is it?
Isa lang yung nakita mo?
Yeah,
O dalawa?
only one. Alright, one. Okay. Yeah, you don't know that who were children of Duterte, Mark Cruz. Oh, don't you even know Mark Domingo Cruz, that Rodrigo Duterte, it was a ninong of Sir Calvin Cuevas? Yet you don't know, you label Rodrigo Duterte Nazi? Hi, Mark Cruz. You are a Nazi also. You are an imbecile. If I tell to Sir Calvin Cuevas, if I tell Kuya Park official, oh, that was a husband of Teacher Jessa, and that was a Duterte supporter blogger, oh, I will tell them. If Mark Cruz posting nonsense, he will be mobbed, he will be raiding his house. What was it?
Saan mo nakita itong vlog na to?
Under the bed.
Hanapin mo dito yan. Ito lagay mo sa lalagyanan ng mga basa sa paa. Mga IKEA.
Yeah.
IKEA na konstela na.
Yes, yes.
Hanapin sa ito.
Okay, it's right here. Oh. That's why I say to you, Mark Cruz, do not post nonsense. Because I know Christian Mingito, if he is a Duterte supporter, listen to him. Do not post. You're posting anyway, Mark Cruz, anti-Duterte. Oh. It's nonsense. If one more posting of anti-Duterte, Mark Cruz, I will bash Sam Rascal. If you posting again about nonsense, that is my warning to you, Mark Cruz.